Understanding Pottery Workshop, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone! In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, Pottery Workshop. This is a commonly used term, especially in arts and crafts circles, and understanding it can really enhance your English vocabulary. So, let's dive in and learn about what a pottery workshop is, its significance, and where you might encounter this term. The phrase, pottery workshop, is made up of two words, pottery and workshop. Let's look at each word individually. Pottery. Pottery refers to the art or craft of making objects out of clay. These objects are typically shaped and then heated at high temperatures in a kiln, which hardens them. Common pottery items include vases, dishes, and decorative art. Workshop. A workshop is a space or a class where people gather to learn a skill or complete a project. Workshops are often hands-on and interactive. In this context, it means a place where people learn and practice pottery. In a pottery workshop, participants engage in various activities related to pottery. These may include learning techniques, such as shaping clay on a pottery wheel or hand-building techniques. Creating items. Participants can make their own pottery items. Firing and glazing. Learning about the process of firing pottery in a kiln and applying glazes for color and finish. Pottery workshops aren't just about learning a craft. They hold significant cultural and social value. Cultural heritage. Pottery is an ancient art form, and workshops can be a way to connect with cultural heritage and history. Community and socializing. These workshops often foster a sense of community and provide a social outlet. Therapeutic benefits. The act of creating pottery can be therapeutic, offering a creative outlet and stress relief. I hope this video has helped you understand what a pottery workshop is and why it's such a fascinating and enriching concept. Whether you're interested in arts and crafts or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, knowing about pottery workshops is definitely beneficial. Thanks for watching, and keep practicing your English.